If you've been in a motor vehicle accident, let's talk about your claim for pain and suffering. Your claim for pain and suffering is a claim that is brought against the at-fault driver. This claim is subject to limits that are set out in the Insurance Act. There are two important limits that you should know about. The first limit is called the threshold. The intention of the threshold is to ensure that people who have suffered minor injuries in car accidents are not compensated. This limits the exposure of the insurance company to pay pain and suffering awards. The test to meet the threshold is that the claimant must show they've got permanent and serious injuries that significantly interfere with many of their activities of daily living. This means that if you suffer, for example, an injured neck and spend a year in pain and make a complete recovery, in theory, you should not be entitled to any compensation for pain and suffering. That's the first limit on the pain and suffering award. The second limit is the $30,000 deductible. This $30,000 is funny money indeed. This is money that doesn't actually exist. It comes off of your damage award if your damages are assessed at $100,000 or less. And the insurance company simply keeps the money. So if your damages are assessed at $60,000, you receive $30,000. It's our job at Morel Kelly to obtain the documentation and information that we need to ensure that your claim surpasses both of these tests and we can obtain you compensation for your pain and suffering. Let us help.